In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eBay coupons, a step-by-step guide to make you more money. Whether you're an experienced seller or just getting started, creating coupons on eBay can significantly boost your sales by attracting more buyers with attractive discounts. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through every step so you can maximize its potential. Firstly, it's crucial to note that eBay now requires most promotions, including coupons, to have a store subscription. So make sure your store subscription is active to fully benefit from this feature. Now let's dive into the process. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, head over to My eBay and select Selling to access the Seller Hub. The Seller Hub is your central place for managing your sales activities and promotions. Next, navigate to the Marketing tab and click on Discounts. You'll see a variety of options here, but for now we're focusing on creating a coupon. So go ahead and click on Create Discount found in the top right corner, then choose Coupon. This will take you to a page where you'll start crafting your discount offer. Now it's time to set your coupon details. Begin by naming your coupon. Keep in mind this name is for your reference only, so choose something memorable like Summer 10 if you're offering a summer discount. Decide on the type of discount you wish to offer. You have three choices here: a specific amount off, a percentage off, or buy X get Y. Select the one that best aligns with your sales goals. After choosing the discount type, determine the discount value. This could be, for example, 10% off, $5 off, or a buy two get one free deal. These options are flexible tools for enticing your potential buyers. You also have the option to set a minimum spend threshold. This means setting an amount that customers must spend to qualify for the discount, such as spend $30, get 10% off. This strategy is often effective for increasing the average order value. Don't forget to specify the start and end dates for your coupon. Scheduling a time frame ensures that your promotion is timely and creates a sense of urgency. One of the most engaging features is the ability to create a custom coupon code. Get creative, use codes like VIP15 or Welcome 10 which resonate with your audience or brand theme. Now decide who can use the coupon. You can make it public, letting all buyers see the discount. Alternatively, keep it private, where it's available only to selected buyers via email or direct message. You can also amplify your reach by sharing the coupon code on social media or placing it in your store banner for greater visibility. Finally, specify whether the discount applies to specific items, categories, or your entire inventory. This flexibility allows you to target key products or clear out excess stock, depending on your business needs. And that's it. You now have a comprehensive coupon ready to launch and boost your sales on eBay.